Welcome everyone. I'm going to show you how to generate consistent AI character images like this. So if we want to create images like this, we are going to use Google AI. So subscribe to my channel. We are going to see the video. So for opening this website, we need to use VPN. So you have to connect to any VPN. So after the connection, you have to open the website Google Labs Whisk. So you have to enter the tool. So for creating consistent AI character images, we are going to use subject. So subject is useful for creating AI characters, consistent images. Also, you can see the second options like scene and style. So if you want to create consistent scenes, you can use this option. Or if you want to create consistent style like ultra realistic or Disney images, you can use the option style. But now I'm going to show you how to generate consistent AI characters. For that, we need to create image first. We are going to use ChatGPT for the prompt. So we are going to create ultra realistic 4K HD boy face image prompt in 4 different scenarios. For that, we are going to copy the first scenario image prompt. You have to copy this and then you have to paste the image prompt and then you have to select your aspect ratio. After that, you have to select lock option. Lock option will create similar images. Unlock option will create more variety of images, but we are going to use similar output option. So after this, we are going to select best quality and then you have to generate your image. First, it will create an image. After that only, we are going to use that image to create our characters. So you can also close your VPN connection. It will not create any problems. After that, you have to generate your image. Because it will take some amount of time. For that only, we need to close the VPN. So you have to drag your image and place your image in the subject. So it will analyze the image prompt and then it will create consistent AI characters. Now I'm going to show you how to generate second image. You have to copy the second image prompt and paste the second image prompt. And then you have to generate the images. So it will analyze the previous image and then generate the consistent character image. So you can see similar images are generated. So it will create consistent AI character image. So I'm going to show third example. So you have to copy the third image prompt and paste the third image prompt and generate the image. Again, it will analyze the previous image prompt and generate consistent character. So the images are consistent, but in different scenarios. I'm going to copy the fourth scenario image prompt and paste the image prompt and generate the image. In this website, you can generate unlimited AI images. So our fourth image is successfully generated with consistent AI characters. So if you like these images, you can download that. So this is how you can create consistent AI characters using Google Labs AI. In this website also, you can generate AI videos. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends if you find this video useful.